Okay, first thing, let's import the reference image, which you can download at my website linked below, or just take a screenshot now. First, let's lower the opacity to 50%. Then we'll lock this layer and create a new layer to design on. Starting with the bottom pad, use the ellipse tool and draw an oval and match the size of the outline. Now let's create a perfect circle by holding down Shift and drawing out with the ellipse tool. We'll match the size again. Create a copy of the circle by holding Alt, click and drag it over. Hold Shift to keep it locked in line with the original shape. Click on Horizontal Distribute Center to make sure the spacing is even. Under the Pathfinder section, click on Unite. Using the Direct Selection tool, draw over these two anchor points and round them completely. Now for the bottom part, press the minus key to switch to the Delete Anchor Point tool. Delete the point in the middle. Now draw over the two remaining points and round them out completely. To create the smaller pads, first let's make the nail shape. This is optional, so you can skip it if you don't like the look with the nails. Using the pen tool, we'll draw out a smaller triangle. Start with the bottom line so we can use the Smart Guideline to know when we are in the center to create an even triangle. Draw over the top point and round it slightly. To create the curve, go to the Effects tab at the top, scroll down to Warp, and then over to Arc. In the dialog box, make sure it's set to vertical and the bend is at 30%. To have this effect actually applied to the shape, go to Object and then Expand Appearance. Okay, now let's draw the oval to match the shape. Rotate it slightly. Select both objects and unite. While holding down Alt, click and drag to make a copy. Rotate it a little more to match the angle. Select both, hit Ctrl G to group them together. Make a copy and drag it over to the other side. In the Properties panel, click on Flip Horizontally and move into place. Select the pads on the other side and group everything together. Now select the main pad and make sure everything is center aligned. Now that we're done designing, all we have to do is press the Swap Fill and Stroke button, or X for the keyboard shortcut, and we are finished. We can delete the original image by clicking on it and clicking on the trash can icon all the way at the bottom. If you found this helpful, please remember to like and subscribe.